In this mini tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use stencils on the Gelli plate. So I've rolled out a couple of colours and I'm just rolling my brayer off on some spare paper to the side, which I can use later as collage fodder. To press down nicely, and I've created a nice print. So now I'm going back into my Gelli plate with another layer of paint. I didn't quite put enough on there, so I can just add a little bit more, creating a nice even layer. And I put my stencil down, and the print that I created earlier I've put over my stencil, and I'm just peeling that off to reveal a lovely layer. And I've taken another print here which I'd previously done, and then I removed the stencil so that I could take a print of what was left on the plate. So let's roll out some more paints and take another print. Rolling it off to the side so we don't waste any paint. And this time I've chosen some circles, which I'm using as stencils. I created these myself from Yupu paper. Taking a layer that I've made previously and then putting it on top of the stencils, pressing it to get in all the areas. And then revealing a really lovely print. And I can now remove those stencils and take a print of the paint that's been left behind. This is quite a light layer of paint that's left, so it won't be a really strong print. I also added light blue over a blue background, so you can't really see it when it comes off.